For weekly fitness tips, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also tap the bell icon to be notified on our newest videos. The 7 exercises every man needs to build muscle. Are you looking to get bigger and increase your strength? Looking for a solution to gain more muscle? If so, this video is just for you. Yes, we know just how hard it can be to actually become stronger and a bigger person. But hey, there's good news. You can successfully get stronger and gain size at the gym. That's only if you include these 7 important workouts into your weekly regime. So, what workouts should you do to become stronger and bigger? Well, you mainly want to focus on compound exercises and progressively overload with weight. Make sure to focus on form before lifting heavier weights. Let's check the exercises out. Firstly, let's look at squats. The squat is a dynamic strength training exercise that entails several muscles in your upper and lower body to work together simultaneously. The squat mainly hits most of the leg muscles, including quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. As you're balancing the weight on your shoulders, the squat also works your core. There are many benefits in performing the squat, as well as just building muscle alone. It can have a great impact on your health and prevent injuries from happening. Making sure you perform the squat correctly and not overloading the bar with too much weight is important, as you don't want to cause great injury to yourself, especially in your lower back area. Secondly, deadlifts. The deadlift is an exercise in which a weighted bar is lifted off the ground to the level of the hips before being placed back on the ground. The great benefits of performing the deadlift is that it targets a lot of muscle groups, including the legs, upper back, and core. Furthermore, the deadlift increases testosterone in the body, which is the main hormone used in building muscles. Just like the deadlift, performing this exercise wrong can cause serious risk of injury. So, make sure you perform the motions correctly. The primary concern with deadlifts is performing the exercise with a rounded spine, which ultimately causes stress in the spine structure. The shoulder press. The shoulder press is where the weight is pressed straight upwards from the racking position until the arms are locked out overhead, while the legs, lower back, and abs maintain balance. Suggested by its name, the shoulder press predominantly focuses on the shoulders, but it also hits the chest, triceps, and upper back. The shoulder press ultimately increases shoulder size, creating a bolder look. Additionally, it helps with stability and overall strength, which ultimately helps you in other areas of weight training. You can perform many variants of the shoulder press, but we suggest you stay away from the behind the neck shoulder press, as this can cause injury. Tricep dips. Tricep dips are when you slowly bend your elbows to lower your body towards the floor until your elbows are at about a 90-degree angle, causing tension in the triceps. Once you hit the 90-degree angle, slowly start to lock out your elbows. Like the name suggests, tricep dips focus on the triceps as well as the pectoral muscles and the anterior deltoid. You can start off with body-weighted dips and slowly implement weighted dips into your workouts. In short, the dips increase strength within the arms. Dips also push joints beyond the normal range of shoulder extension, stretching the joint capsule and reducing its ability to stabilize and produce force, which can cause injury. Bicep curls. The bicep curl is when you lift a dumbbell or barbell towards your chest in a curving motion. It targets the brachioradialis muscles. It allows you to really focus on the biceps so you can get bigger and stronger. The bicep curl is a basic movement and is easy to do, with many variants and equipment which you can use. Many people tend to overload with weights on curls, causing them to have a bad overall form. Remember, it's important to have a good form in order to grow muscle, so start off at a comfortable weight in the beginning and work your way up. Pull-ups. A pull-up is an upper body strength exercise where the body is suspended by the hands and pulls up. Pull-ups mainly target your lats and upper back. You can change the grip of the pull-up to target your biceps. The pull-up is a great exercise to perform, as it requires your body weight in the beginning and can be performed outside of the gym. Doing a pull-up in the beginning can be hard, so start off with building some muscle in the traps and use resistant bands to help you lift yourself up. Finally, the bench press. The bench press is everyone's favorite chest exercise. It consists of firstly bringing the bar to your chest and pushing it upwards. The bench press focuses on your pecs, but also targets your shoulders and triceps. It's important to start at a comfortable weight, as having good form is a major component in building a bigger pec. Furthermore, if you start to perform heavy presses, make sure to always ask for a spotter to help you out, in case you can't lift the weight back up. And that's it. 7 workouts that can really help you with boosting your muscle size and strength for a better physique and more gains. Now it's up to you to implement the workouts into your routine. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more informative fitness videos, subscribe to the channel.